Hello friends, I hope all are well. Yeah, I am doing fantastic. You know that today's Friday. For that we uh, come outside. Actually, today is our holiday. In this day, we looking good park for a picnic spot. You know that I involved in a coaching center. Our students want to go uh, picnic. For that they uh, wanted a good picnic spot. For that we searching it. We go to a spot site, Magic Island, and another is Sharif Food Court. Actually, both are good. Now we come bank of the river. In this place, there are a lot of people come. This place is gathering. In this place, people come to eat muri bharta. This is very familiar in this place. Now we take a cereal. Our cereal is 36, as you can see. Now running is 20. Actually, I don't know what is a special thing in this muri bharta. I don't know, but there are a lot of people come. I have come here new. For that, I have some interest about that. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. I hope see you again with another day, another topic. This place is very quiet for me. As you can say, uh, beside me there is a Buriganga river. From this place, I get refreshment here that refresh our mind, that refresh our body. Actually, this environment is very cool. I don't explain it properly how I feel today. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Okay, goodbye.